Hello. I am a pencil, a humble yet indispensable tool in the world of creativity, learning, and design. My core is made of graphite, often mistaken for lead, and I am housed in a sturdy wooden body that makes me easy to hold. I may look simple, but I am capable of great things, whether it's jotting down notes, solving complex math problems, or bringing art to life through drawing and sketching. With my erasable nature, you can make mistakes without worry, and start fresh with just a swipe of an eraser. You'll find me in many varieties, from hard and sharp for technical precision, to soft and dark for smooth, rich lines. I've been around for centuries, helping people express ideas, record information, and create beauty. I'd love to tell you how I'm made. At my core, I'm filled with a substance called graphite, which is often mistaken for lead but is actually a form of carbon. This graphite is mixed with clay to create the perfect balance of hardness and smoothness. The more clay added, the harder I am, which is why some pencils, like me, come in different grades, from H for harder writing to B for darker, softer strokes. Once my graphite core is ready, it's carefully encased in wood, usually cedar, because it's soft, durable, and smells great when sharpened. My wooden body is cut into thin slats, grooved to hold the graphite, then sandwiched around the core and glued together. After that, I'm shaped, smoothed, and painted in bright colors, often with a shiny coat for protection. Finally, many of us are topped with an eraser, making us the perfect companion for mistakes, creativity, and learning. From the inside out, I'm built to help bring your ideas to life. And did you know that I come in various types, each designed for different tasks? Let me introduce you to my family. Graphite pencils. I'm the most common type, used for everyday writing and drawing. I come in a range of grades from H, harder and lighter marks, to B, softer and darker lines. The famous HB pencil is right in the middle, offering a perfect balance for writing. Colored pencils. My colorful siblings have cores made of wax or oil mixed with pigments. Artists use them to create vibrant, detailed drawings. They come in a wide range of colors, allowing for endless creativity. Mechanical pencils. I'm a cousin that doesn't need sharpening. Instead of wood, I have a plastic or metal body, and my graphite core can be refilled, making me reusable and great for precision. Charcoal pencils. These relatives are darker and softer than regular graphite pencils. They're mainly used by artists for sketching and shading, giving rich, bold lines that can easily be blended. At my center, instead of graphite like traditional pencils, I'm filled with a mixture of wax or oil, combined with rich pigments. These pigments are what give me my bright, bold colors. The wax or oil in my core allows me to glide smoothly across paper, blending beautifully with other colors to create stunning effects. Depending on the type of pigment used, I can come in hundreds of shades, from the lightest yellows to the deepest blues and everything in between. Just like regular pencils, I'm encased in a wooden body, often made from cedar, which protects my core and makes me easy to grip. My wood is cut into two halves, and my colorful core is inserted in between before being glued and shaped into my cylindrical.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Hope all of you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, kids. Chacha.